Hi guys, Andre. Often get asked how to sharpen a knife, and I've got Miguel here with me today. He's going to show us how I taught him to sharpen the knives on the Vortex line. Over to Miguel. Hello Miguel.
Hello.
So what have you got on there for a belt?
I've got a 400 grit on the belt, on the machine. I'm going to put my finger in the middle of the blade. And that's it.
Okay, now it's got a burr.
Yeah.
See if we can pick up the burr on the camera. Yeah, there she is. Right, and with that you do what?
We're going to buff the burr off. And
Miguel has just sharpened this blade and he wants to prove that it is not too bad. That should do it. Thanks, bud.